H1N recorder uses a micro SD card. The card is included with the kit. This card should be cleared and returned to the library with the kit by the due date. With the recorder facing you, find the micro SD card port on the right side of the device, just below the red line in port. Pull out the cover and insert the card until it clicks into place. To remove the micro SD card, push it inward, allowing it to spring out as you remove your finger. Here is a brief demonstration. CharMast Power Pack is included in the kit to provide the appropriate power supply for your recording. Be sure to press the power button on the left side of the power pack before turning on your recorder. Here is a video to demonstrate. To power on the recorder, first plug the provided cable into the top USB port on the CharMast Power Pack and into the DC5V port on the lower right side of the Zoom H1N recorder. Be sure to press the power button on the left side of the power pack before turning on the Zoom recorder. To turn on the Zoom H1N recorder, locate the Setting Hold switch on the right side of the device. Slide the switch toward the power icon and hold briefly until the panel lights up on the recorder. To turn the device off, slide the switch in the same direction and hold it until the panel reads, "Goodbye, see you." Here's a demonstration. The recording button has a red center and is located in the middle front of the device. To begin recording, press the button. The red light next to the button will shine while the device is recording. To stop recording, press the record button again. The Pause Resume Playback button will allow the most recent recording to be played. Use the backward and forward buttons to select files for playback. Save files from the micro SD card by removing the card from the recorder and inserting it into an appropriate card reading device. These devices are not included with the library's kit. Card readers can be purchased from most retailers that sell SD and micro SD cards. The card reader will plug into a computer USB port and allow you to transfer your audio files to your computer where they can be saved, edited, and shared.